So in this particular style, or in any tune for that matter, as a bass player, your function is obviously roots. So the basic of this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But if you do that, it's kind of boring. So most people looking at this fretboard, you would say there's the root, and I can get to that root by a fret above, or 2 frets above, or a fret below, or 2 frets below. So that when you put it together, you're going from F to D, but there's a note above the D that you could go to. Same thing with the G. So it's like a melodic way of playing the roots of the leading to the roots of the bass line by approaching from below or above, and feeling the liberty of also being a drummer when you do the dead strokes in between. So you know, all of that kind of material gives you you're a little bit more freedom as a melodic bass player in this particular kind of approach anyway, whether it's funky music or whether it's, in this case, kind of a 6/8 jazzy kind of a feel, or Afro-Cuban, or whatever you want to call it. But the bass function is the roots. But you have the option of being able to get to those notes. So that's kind of, you know, the way I was looking at that as a bass player anyway.